friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? It is time for a 30-second card in as fast as I can do it. You never know. Sometimes I break records and it's way too long, and sometimes I break records and it's nice and short. You just never know what's going to happen. The fun thing is I don't even know what's going to happen. That's even the more fun thing because I just think it's hilarious. Now, I did pull a couple things. Oh, these are brand new. We don't need those. But I did pull a couple things because I just released the flower Flip It, and I'm really proud of it, and I'm really excited about this one. So I'm hoping to use this one. I did find my pattern paper pad that had the little birdhouses on it. So I pulled those dies as well. So you never know. I don't know. I have a lot of flowers here, so I don't know if I need those. And then I told Ken I was ready to start the video and I didn't have any cardstock. So I literally just grabbed what I had under my desk. And so like one of them's even, scrap. So you never know. Okay. So it is what it is, right? And I don't even know if those match that very well, but okay, whatever. And you know what I need? I need chapstick before I can move forward, because I cannot think about it while I'm working. Okay, Kenny, on your marks, hang on, let me think for a second. I'm gonna open this. On your marks, get set, start the time. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the yellow and we are going to grab the background die. We're gonna run, whoops, come on. We're gonna run this through, dun, dun, dun. Now, I'm using the platforms that come with the machine and it's crooked, so that doesn't work. So we're gonna run that through. And now we have the die base. Dun, 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 dun. Flip Its are really easy when you're desperate because they really work, and oh my gosh, they really work. Oh, that's almost cheating. I can't do that. That's cheating. So I told you though, I keep all the extras in there because if you ever need a fast card, but that's actually kind of cheating. So, okay, so let's grab, oh, that's cute. Try that one. And I like to do two just in case, because you never know. Oh, a little birdie told me. That's cute. A little birdie told me. Oh, actually, I kind of like that pink. Oh, no, okay. Stop. Okay, so we're gonna run these through. I always like to run through two at the same time because you never know if you're like, oh wait, maybe that one will work better. So I'm gonna lay those down just like that, run those through. Dun, 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 dun. And when you line up the platform, it goes through nice and fast. And we're gonna bring those over, grab all the trash out. And so we have lots of options, and let's do, I love the hearts. Okay, so let's do this one on this side. So we're gonna add some adhesive to this. Dun, 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 dun. Flip Its are my all-time favorite. Okay, add some adhesive to this one, all the way around, color. And now we're gonna fold it. Big bottom, little top, fold it in half towards you, take the top flap, fold it up, turn it to the left, the little side is always on the left, LL, little left. Now, these extra pieces we're always gonna put back in our envelope because we can use them later. Now, I have some pieces that have adhesive on them already. Technically, I think that might be a little cheating, but you know what? I make the rules because I can. Okay, so blue is blue, yep, blue matches. Okay, we're gonna lay those down and we're gonna throw these every which way to get some color here. So let's move that one there. Let's do it green okay, green matches. Okay, let's get some blue there. And you know what, this pink is making me nervous. Okay, so let's lay that down, run those through. Oops, get over there. Okay, run those, get on there. Turn it, okay, lay that down. Make it go straight through the machine, Stephanie. That's always more helpful. And run that through. I love that cracking sound because that means it's cutting. Okay, so now what we have here is we have some pieces. So there's one. Oh, green's already out. Okay, so let's grab this one. And I already had some cut from before, and hey, I make the rules. I get to use them if I want. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this green. Oh, look how pretty that is. Oh, I'm gonna, let's see. Ooh, let's do, oh gosh. I hate decisions. Decisions. Ooh, what if we did that? Oh, that's cute. Okay, here's a blue one. Get out of there. Okay, so let's add this guy to this guy first. Whoops, oh, it has adhesive on the back. Fantastic. So we're gonna just add adhesive to the back of this one. Oh, and that reminds me, on the back, there's the little birdhouses, and I did kind of want to add a little birdhouse. Let's see, but I don't think we're going to fit it. I did want to add some stamps. So, ooh, let's see. Ooh, oh, how fun is that? Yay, it's your birthday. Does that fit? So clear stamps are really cool because you can layer that like that. That fits, but let's see. Okay, let's do that one. So, oh, you got to smell it even if you don't have time. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. So I'm going to peel that up. I'm going to find a block. Crud. You'd think this place would, okay, we'll use a cutting pad. You'd think I'd have, oh gosh, I don't even know if I've got a new stamp pad. Oh, here's one. Whew, old one. Move that off. Okay, so we're going to ink this baby up. First time it has to be on scratch. Find some scratch paper. Find some scratch paper. Okay, second time on your project, but black is a little outstanding and we don't want to overwhelm our card. So one here, second one here. So it's going to be a little lighter in color, which is important because I don't want too much dark on this one because it'll just take away from the design. So yay, it's your birthday. Look at that. Yay, it's your birthday. And let's finish it off with some ribbon. Kenny, you better be getting close to being ready because I'm almost done. So we're going to tie this right here. We need our ribbon scissors. And I see I have my ink pad. I got to cover it because it gives me anxiety. Okay, and we're going to, whoops, come over here. Oh, darn it, get over here, get over here. Okay, oh my gosh, stop. Okay, so we're going to lay this down here, tie there. Kenny, get ready. I only have to snip this and then I'm done. Okay, snip one, snip two, stop. I didn't hear it stop. Did it stop? Okay, he's too far away. He's like way down there. But he did stop it, he said. Okay, what's the news? Look how cute this is. Yay, it's your birthday. Not bad, right? Okay, it's not bad. 5 minutes and 18 seconds. That's cute. Look, and I stamped, Ken. You always like get after me if I don't stamp. So I did stamp. Not on the back. No, you know what? I need to make new personalized stamps for me because he's giving me a thumbs down. I know. We make personalized stamps and I usually have one that has my name on it, but sadly, I don't know what happens to them. And I don't know if I lose them or I don't know. So I'll make some more for myself. But isn't that cute? Easy peasy. Now, don't forget this. I say this all the time. I'm going to clean this up before I don't. And this, if you're going to ask what this stamp set is lots of birthday to stamp. Heads up. But the point being is all of these pieces that I've die cut, of course you save your scraps that have the adhesive on the back. But I have all of these pieces for this die set in here and also the extra cutouts. Any extra cutouts I have, look at that, right there. So if I need a faster card than even 5 minutes and 18 seconds, I can easily have them because all the little extra pieces are in here. Don't put them in your scrap pile because it'll never get back. That's like throwing an extra piece you find, not back in the box, but like in your junk drawer. You don't want to do that, right? Because you'll never get it back to its home. So keep all those pieces here so when you're ready and you need one, boom, halfway done right there. Isn't that awesome? So thank you very much for joining me for another episode of a 30-second card in 5 minutes and 18 seconds. I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could have it like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, baby. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could have it like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, baby. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl.